This is Jenna with the hiccups. Say, I hope they go away soon. Okay, bye-bye, Jenna. Bye-bye.